Alright guys, it's raining out here. It's raining out here. As you probably can tell in the background of my video, I'm soaked. I'm vlogging in the rain. Alright guys, so yeah, it's raining out here. I'm like soaked. So tonight, guys, I'm gonna go sledding in the mud tonight after practice. I don't know if the players should know that, but not until after practice, but I think they already know about it. So yeah, bye. Alright guys, here's Mickey Mouse. Look how wet he is. He does have his Mickey Mouse ears on and stuff. So yeah. Alright guys, another update here. He's still here.
So
there
gotta
he
get
is.
going.
Is Thomas leaving right now?
Yeah, it's heading back to the Sheepo grounds. So
You can actually hear him on the radio.